Here's some 1990s Carrier TECH2000 Silencer Systems. Wrapper and the fan motor there. Trying to see if this is a heat pump. I don't think it is. 94. 3-ton, 38 TRA. It might have been running. Its suction line is slightly cool, but it's not sweaty at all. So there's no telling. This one has more insulation. Control tape right there. I think this one's been running because I see the condensation dripping off that pipeline there.
Oh yeah, nice.
All these have compressor blankets, so I'm not sure what kind. Pretty sure a Copeland Scroll, or no, a Carlisle Scroll or something.
No, it's probably a Copeland. I'm not really sure.
Did these use Copeland back in the 90s?
I think so. I'm not really sure.
Because this is almost 30 years old. So I'll get a shot of data real quick. Same thing as the other two, 3-ton 1994, and the line is slightly cool as well, but there's your condensation dripping right there. So I might start up here in a minute. Thanks for watching.